Number 1. 1969 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia Coupe, $4,800, Potrero Hill, California. This 1969 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia Coupe offers Italian-inspired styling paired with German engineering at an accessible price. It is powered by a 4-cylinder gasoline engine with the original automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive. Showing 110,000 original miles, the car was stored indoors for many years and ran very well when parked, with use discontinued due to the owner's health. Finished in brown, it features 8-spoke wheels, a clean interior, intact headliner, and rust-free floorboards. The engine turns by hand, but the starter requires replacement. With a clean title and solid structure, it is an excellent candidate for light restoration. Number 2. 1963 Buick Riviera True Survivor, $4,900, Henderson, Nevada. This 1963 Buick Riviera is a true survivor and an exceptional value among early American luxury coupes. It is powered by a 425 cubic inch V8 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. A second-owner vehicle, it was purchased from California in 1967 and remains completely original with a 100% rust-free and straight body. Factory equipment includes power steering, power brakes, power windows, and air conditioning. It ran well when parked and needs basic recommissioning, making it ideal for preservation or mild restoration. Number 3. 1959 Edsel Ranger Sedan, $2,000, Granbury, Texas. This 1959 Edsel Ranger sedan is a rare and affordable piece of American automotive history. It is powered by a V8 gasoline engine with an automatic transmission and front-wheel drive. The odometer shows 12,422 miles, but is not functioning. The car briefly ran about 20 years ago using a gas can and has been parked since due to illness. Finished in blue with a clean title, this Edsel provides a solid foundation for a full restoration project. Number 4. 1964 Oldsmobile Dynamic 88, $14,500, Temecula, California. This 1964 Oldsmobile Dynamic 88 is a clean and well-sorted classic with tasteful upgrades. Power comes from a small block Chevrolet 350 cubic inch V8 gasoline engine paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission. It runs well and drives smoothly. Suspension improvements include rear airbags, front lowering springs, and an onboard air system. Additional upgrades include an electric fuel pump and a professionally rebuilt Edelbrock carburetor. With a clean title and current registration, this Oldsmobile is ready to enjoy. Number 5. 1965 Ford F-250 Custom Patina Pickup, $14,450, Alameda, California. This 1965 Ford F-250 Custom Pickup is a professionally refurbished patina truck built for reliability and daily usability. Powered by a V8 gasoline engine with a manual transmission and rear-wheel drive, it shows 15,000 miles on a rolled-over odometer, with estimated total mileage of approximately 115,100 miles. Fewer than 300 miles have been driven since refurbishment. The frame and body are straight and solid, displaying natural patina only. With a clean title and excellent condition, it is ready for regular use. Number 6. 1970 Oldsmobile Toronado GT W34, $15,000, Morro Bay, California. This 1970 Oldsmobile Toronado GT W34 is a distinctive personal luxury coupe featuring muscle-era engineering. It is powered by a V8 gasoline engine with an automatic transmission and front-wheel drive, showing 105,000 miles on a functioning odometer. The car is rust-free and drives under its own power. The passenger window motor needs replacement, and the air conditioning clutch is broken, though the system remains intact. With a clean title and strong drivability, this Toronado offers unique collector appeal. Number 7, 1964 Plymouth Belvedere Project, $13,000, Fort Collins, Colorado. This 1964 Plymouth Belvedere is a solid project car with serious performance potential. It is powered by a 1968 440 cubic inch V8 gasoline engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission and Hurst shifter. The odometer shows 29,843 miles and has rolled over. It runs strong and drives straight, featuring a sure grip rear end, thrush mufflers, upgraded sway bar, and new brakes, wheels, tires, and shocks. Minor mechanical and electrical issues remain, but a large selection of extra parts is included along with a clean title. Number 8, 1975 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme, $13,700, Shelton, Washington. This 1975 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme is a well-preserved classic, showing just under 53,000 original miles. It is powered by a Rocket 350 V8 gasoline engine with an automatic transmission and runs well after careful recommissioning. Finished in rare sage green, it includes original paperwork and was sold new in Olympia, Washington in September of 1975. Recent updates include new tires and rear wheel cylinders. The factory air conditioning and radio clock are not currently functioning. A clean Washington title is included. Number 9, 1988 Chevrolet Monte Carlo SS, $12,000, Little Rock, Arkansas. This 1988 Chevrolet Monte Carlo SS is a driver-ready performance coupe with 79,000 original miles. Powered by a gasoline engine with an automatic transmission, it can be driven home. Recent work includes a new air conditioning system, distributor, ignition components, belts, thermostat, starter, flywheel, and tires. Cosmetic needs include paint and a cracked dashboard. Minor mechanical issues include a small transmission fluid leak and an exhaust leak. With a clean title, it remains a solid value. Number 10, 1987 Oldsmobile Cutlass 442 T Top Coupe, $12,500, Spokane, Washington. This 1987 Oldsmobile Cutlass 442 is a rare performance coupe with approximately 1,100 units produced. Finished in black with fresh paint, it is powered by a V8 gasoline engine with an automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive. Features include factory T-tops with storage bags, console shifter, posi-traction rear end, dual Flowmaster exhaust, and 19-inch wheels. The car runs and drives but requires window repairs and possible engine tuning. With a clean title and original owner's manual, it offers strong collector potential.